take 100 years to build a solid company that we don't need to sell, that everybody benefits from, the customers, the people that work here, and obviously the shareholders. It just takes a lot longer. It's again, the short-term sacrifice for the long-term gain. It's the same concept everywhere. But what this is going to allow us to do is build the right product, the one that takes a long time, that's hard to build, that's going to take forever to build a system that can encompass the entire industry in one holistic system. This is why I believe Plexxis is going to win in the long haul.
The fact of the matter is, no one has really come in and provided a complete solution for construction companies to take full advantage of really what technology is already out there. But if we do the hard work of mapping those external realities in the logical way that we can address their needs with software, well, all of a sudden we're solving new, interesting problems with innovative technologies and providing solutions for these people that simply didn't exist before. And that's a really exciting space to work in.
Most modern companies look at quarterly profits. They want to keep growing. The companies that have venture capitalists investing into them, and that short-term quarterly growth targets, in our opinion, is what destroys companies. So growth, in how we see it, is we want to be that 100-year company that is growing in a manner that builds better people and better lives within Plexxis. But the business that we're in is interaction. We rely on interaction. We serve companies who have the most difficult and most dangerous work next to combat and law enforcement. Like, people can die on these sites. So we have to develop technology that guys can walk around and women can walk around with iPads and complete their work while simultaneously avoiding falls, trips, being electrocuted, protecting their teammates. All of these scenarios are in play. And for us to develop technology that can perform in that type of environment, while also embracing the change and developing for that change that is occurring right before our eyes, we have to be in a constantly collaborative, high collision environment, and that's only effective when we're together.
Our customers are very, very involved with us, and their success is probably our success for the most part. When they're getting full utilization out, seeing the benefits that they were sold, right, is probably where we're going to derive most of our success from. You know, we practice what we preach on this side. Chad and Monique get involved, the sales team, and during that process, they're there at the end too, where a lot of times it's just, okay, great, I've got them hook, line, and sinkered, and we're on to the next customer. Well, no, they're gonna make do and make good on their promises that were made or communicated, as they know the product, and it's the most important thing, is getting them on it, not trying to pull the wool over anyone's eyes. Get them on board, get them using the system. But you know, I'd say our success, you know, our team success is going to be just probably the happy customers, right? Internal, both internal and external. And what I mean by internal is the data team is our customer, the support team is our customer, programming is our customer. Where the interactions we have with our team are just as important as the ones we have with the customers, because if they're getting the right info, getting it in a positive way, they're continuing to pass that along throughout the line, and that's going to ultimately end up with the customer having the best product that they can utilize.
It has been great to be a part of that, and to see that we can aid those in, I guess, keeping their livelihoods, for lack of a better term, and excitement for the future of Plexxis. Man, I can't think of any other place that I'd rather be. I don't even know where we're going to be in 5 years from now and what's going to be possible. The stuff we're doing now is beyond what I thought we were ever going to be capable of. Where we go with the future, surely it can only get better with everything that's available to us today that wasn't 20 years ago. So that's exciting.